Hi traders, I wanted to talk to you today about expectations and why they are so important to us here at XO Funding. The subject of expectations gets chucked under the carpet so easily. However, it is absolutely key you have the right expectations if you want to beat the markets. Most traders will only put on a trade if they feel like it's going to win. However, this is one of the biggest flaws within the markets, because the reality is you have no idea of what the outcome of any given trade is going to be. All you know is that you're either going to win, you're going to lose, or you're going to break even. Other than that, there's absolutely no possible way to find out what is going to happen next. The only traders who can almost guarantee the outcome are the ones that have the financial resources and the will to execute. For example, banks, hedge funds, and proprietary firms. Due to the large financial ability that these players have, they have the liquidity to be able to manipulate the price and therefore decide the direction of the market. The only way to figure out the outcome of any given trade is to directly ask an institutional player as they're about to execute their trade. There is no chance they're ever going to tell you what they're thinking. And that's if you even find out who they are. It only takes one large institutional player to be in line with your methodology or to be against it. What I'm trying to say is the markets are random. Therefore, if you're only putting on positions that you think are likely to win, then you're trying to read the mind of millions of traders all at once, which we both know is completely impossible. Expectations lead to FOMO, or not being able to pull the trigger at all, entering too early or too late. Now, let's think about it. You can only be scared of pulling the trigger if you don't think the trade's going to work. But there you go again, trying to think you know the outcome. However, your strategy is designed to work over a long-term basis. Therefore, the outcome of your next trade is so irrelevant. Where your focus should be is on the next 20 to 30 trades, because that is when your strategy will take full effect. Then you can review and figure out whether anything needs tweaking or changing. However, most traders don't even get to this stage because their expectations have led them to trade with fear, anxiety, and panic, and therefore they end up blowing their account. Or they end up losing so much money that it's ended up causing them emotional pain and they just can't continue. The most important thing to remember in trading, that there is a random distribution between the wins and the losses. This means out of your next 20 trades, you have absolutely no idea which one of those are going to win and which ones of those are going to lose. But the professionals have figured out that they don't even need to know. All they need to do is execute when the market presents their edge and let their strategy play out over the long term. This is how professionals think. And this is what we teach our students. It is the only way to trade with a carefree state of mind. Trading is 90% mindset, 10% execution, but most traders are too focused on the execution side of things. So how can they possibly learn to manage their head and their expectations? Guys, follow us, give us a like, check out our Insta page and find out some more daily hints and tips of how to improve your trading. If you haven't done so already, give us a follow on www.exofunding.io and start your trading challenge today. We'll be here with daily hints and tips, as I said, through your whole journey.